Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change currency on OKX wallet. OKX wallet is a universal crypto wallet available on multiple platforms, including app, wave, and extension. Now, to change your currency, firstly make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged into your account. You can now see the official homepage of OKX, and at the top left you can see 9 dot icon. You have to tap over there. At the top you can see your email. All you have to do is tap over there. At this user center you can see numerous options like profile, security, preference and notifications. We have to go on the option preferences. Under the category of preferences, at the second you can see currency. You have to tap over there. And here you can see numerous currency. Now tap on the one that you prefer. And after that you will see your currency has been changed according to the one you choose. And this is how easily you can change your currency at your OKX wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.